Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about an ancient practice that's gained so much popularity for good reason: yoga. Now, when you think of yoga, you might picture flexible people in pretzel-like poses, but it's so much more than just stretching. Yoga is a powerful tool that connects our mind, body, and breath, and it plays a truly incredible role in our body's own natural healing processes. Let's dive into how this gentle practice can be a game changer for your well-being. At its core, yoga is about bringing balance back to your system. When we experience stress, pain, or illness, our bodies often go into a fight-or-flight mode. Yoga helps to shift us into the rest and digest mode, which is where true healing happens. It does this largely through its focus on mindful breathing, also known as pranayama. Deep, controlled breaths stimulate your vagus nerve, which is like the master switch for your parasympathetic nervous system, the one responsible for calming you down and promoting recovery. This simple act of conscious breathing can lower your heart rate, reduce stress hormones, and create a calm, internal environment where your body can focus on repairing itself. Beyond breathing, the gentle movements and postures in yoga also contribute significantly to healing. Many poses are designed to improve circulation, bringing fresh, oxygenated blood and nutrients to every cell in your body, including injured or inflamed areas. This improved blood flow can help speed up recovery, reduce swelling, and nourish tissues. Yoga also helps to release tension in muscles and fascia, the connective tissue that surrounds our muscles. Chronic tension can lead to pain and restrict movement, hindering healing, and yoga gently encourages these areas to relax and open up. Furthermore, yoga helps to build strength and flexibility. When you're recovering from an injury or dealing with chronic pain, stronger, more flexible muscles can support your joints better, prevent further strain, and improve your overall mobility. It's not about becoming a contortionist, but about building functional strength that supports your daily movements and allows your body to move more freely and without pain. And let's not forget the mental aspect. Pain and illness can take a huge toll on our mental well-being. Yoga encourages mindfulness and being present in the moment, which can help reduce anxiety, improve mood, and even change how we perceive pain. By fostering a sense of inner peace, yoga empowers our body's innate capacity to heal. So whether you're dealing with an injury, chronic pain, or just everyday stress, incorporating even a few minutes of gentle yoga into your routine can be a profound way to support your body's amazing ability to heal itself naturally. It's a holistic approach that truly nourishes you from the inside out.